Journey Chick on Instagram. Look what came in the mail today. This came not from Diamond Art Club. It came from Michaels.com. Michaels. Yes, Diamond Art Club is now available at Michaels. Yes. How exciting is that? As you can see from the square on the label, I got square drills. The box has a picture of the painting that you ordered. On the back, it has the instructions of how to diamond paint. Yay! It has what comes in the container of this kit. It has a barcode that if you scan, you can get 10% off your future purchases. Yay! Okay. I don't know if these discounts work at Michaels. I am not positive. But Michaels always has coupons. I'm using my loom hook to unbox this. Okay. But it works. So this actually came in a larger box, larger outer cardboard box that I've already broken down and put into the recycling bin. Because we don't want to waste materials, do we? So we got this plastic, we get that off. Oh my word, this is a gorgeous canvas. As many of you know, this year I'm doing the Year of Alice. Next year will be the Year of Landscape. So yes, this is a landscape. And it's a big one. Oh my gosh. So this comes in a plastic bag, also with branded, says Diamond Art Club. Do what makes you sparkle. Sparkle. Uh-oh. We have something else in here. So it also comes with a sticker that you can put on the end of the box. You have this sticker on this side, but you might want to put it here. Or you might want to put this in a journal where you keep track of your diamond paintings. Some people do that. They put the time it takes them to do a diamond painting. They put when they started, when they finished, where they got it, how much they paid. They talk about the quality of the diamond painting. I like this. Very nice. Let's look at the toolkit really quick. This is everything that you need to diamond paint. And this is also a branded bag. It says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. It has the diamond painting toolkit. It has all of the contents in here. So first you get a tray with a spout. You get 2 pieces of heart wax, a squishy to go over a pen that is also in this toolkit. They give you a blue pen, so you just put that squishy right over there and you can have some nice, comfortable diamond painting. You don't need a fancy pen. Everything you need is right here in this kit. I'm not going to fight with that squishy right now. You also get some baggies if you want to kit up into baggies. I suspect this is not enough for all of the diamonds that are in here, but they do make these available. Sometimes people save them and use them for when they kit down after they're finished with the painting for whatever leftover diamonds they might have. And they are also now giving you a thin 4-placer, which I'm all about this thin 4-placer. Yes, love me a thin 4-placer. You get very sharp tweezers. Yep. And that is the toolkit. Everything you need to do this diamond painting. Now let's look at the canvas. We're here to see the canvas, Rebecca. Or you may have already fast forwarded to this point. There's our pen. We forgot to put it back in the bag. All right. More plastic. Okay. This is that soft patented tourmaline canvas. It's a beautiful, like a soft lint. It feels really nice. The edges are serrated, so it prevents fraying. Really, really nice. It has this schematic that goes on both sides of the canvas, the lower left and the upper right as well. Oh my, oh my. Let's get the drills out. There they are. So here is other contents. This is like one of the best features here. This is the sticker sheet with a copy of the picture of the, also a sticker. I like to put this sticker on the top of my containers. These stickers are all cut out for you. There are 67 colors. Oh my word. 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs and 67 colors. Now here's a little tip for you. If you're looking to find out which ones are the ABs, anything in the DMC numbers below 150 is an Aurora Borealis diamond. That means they are resin with an iridescent coating on them. I'll see if I can pick those out for you and show you where they are on the canvas and what they look like. Here is the 67 colors, and you just peel each one separately and put it on your storage container. Or you can put it on a plastic bag if you like to work out of baggies. So up here, if you want to put this in your journal, it says start and end as the name of the painting. This is a Dominic Davison, one of my all-time favorite landscape artists. I was not going to order another diamond painting from Diamond Art Club. I already have plenty of landscapes for next year, but when I saw this, the colors are so beautiful, so vivid. This is a 98 by 70 canvas, folks. 98 by 70. And I saw that it was Dominic Davison, and I had a 20% off coupon from Michael's, so I had to have it. Look at these colors. Oh my word. Can you just die? They're gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful colors. 67 beautiful colors. And I see one right here. It's a dark blue. Oh my God. Gorgeous. I'm going to put it this way. We're going to roll it backwards. It's a little trick that you can do with cord glue. You roll it with the picture on the outside. Oh, and once you start doing your diamonds, you can actually roll it with the diamonds on it as well, as long as you do it diamonds outward. This will help it lay flat. It is self-flattening, but this just gives it a little assist in laying flat. There's so much detail on this canvas. All right, it should lay flat now. Okay, wow. It is gorgeous. What are they calling this thing? What are they named it? Have they named it? Cabin porch view. Okay. Like, wouldn't you want to come out, wake up about 6:30 in the morning, it's light outside, you come out and have your cup of coffee, you know, you sit in your chair, you put that Afghan in your lap, and you look at that beautiful, beautiful lake. There's the bird up here. Awesome, awesome, gorgeous. There's a little campfire here, a little dog over here. There's a man, there's your husband, he's out there fishing in the lake. There's actually another house on the other side of the lake there. There's a flock of birds right there. They're continuing over here. This is a beautiful, look at the hanging flowers and the birdhouse. There's a birdhouse right, I can't get it to it. There's a birdhouse right there. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I'm going to give you some up close stuff. There's some boots down here. There's the dog. Flowers on either sides of the steps there. And I'm just looking at this, I can tell you there is a lot of color blocking here. I am just blown away. Now, you're going to get into some confetti with the flowers and the greenery, but all of this stuff here, the house, these columns, this is all straight up color blocking, guys. Even the mountains here. Oh my word, gorgeous. And these flowers down here, and there's so much detail here. So much detail. 67 colors. There's the canoe that we didn't take out. Yep. I could go join him in the canoe. Yes. There's a cat sitting in the chair. Well, before I get, I come out with my cup of coffee. I have the little blanket. I have to move the cat. You got to move the cat. Then you sit down, put the blanket in your lap, and the cat will come back and sit in your lap. Then you can drink your coffee. I love the colors of that Afghan, that royal blue. Isn't that beautiful? All right, let's get out the diamonds. Because there are so many in here, I'm going to see if I can pick out the Aurora Borealis ones for you. That dark blue that I saw is fantastic. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, guys. All right, I'm going to give you some up close of this because I'm going to go ahead and take this out. All right, it's all coming out. We've got strings of color. Yes, we'll put it back later. But let me show you. Oh, my God. So Diamond Art Club packages these by weight. So that you're going to get the lighter amount of contents in the most colors here. You've got a blue and a lilac, but somewhere along here, you're going to get pink Aurora Borealis ABs. Oh my God, pink ABs. Can you just die? So I'm assuming that would be in the flower details. Also, you're getting oh my God, this is a lot of diamonds, lots of pinks. There is the dark blue, 136, gorgeous. Then there's like this orange red, which is 133. And it looks like you're getting a fairly decent amount of those. These are square drills. If you find that you want to add extra square drills, you can order extra squares, Aurora Borealis diamonds from Diamond Drills. Diamond Painting Drills. I had to remember the name. Diamond Painting Drills. I knew it had diamonds and drills in it. They have this company, Diamond Painting Drills. I'm an affiliate. Down in the description is my link. Use that link to go to the site and look at the drills that they have, the square drills. They have glow-in-the-dark squares. They have AB squares if you want to add extra bling to your painting. There is a fourth AB. I didn't, oh, here's the fourth one. I found it. It's this lime green here. So that's your 4 AB colors. The rest are, you know, you're getting several bags of this 300, which is the dark brown, probably the columns. You're getting a lot of green, 3 bags of this 895, which is greenery. Just some stunning, stunning colors. Look at, here's the rocking chair colors. The, you know, the Afghan colors are right here. There they are. There's the Afghan right there. There's some more of the Afghan. I love the colors in this painting. I'm looking for 310, guys. I'm not finding 310. There's some 3371. You're getting a couple of bags of that, several bags of gray. You get a really full bag of 3865, which is white. Guys, no 310. Oh my word. No 310. Just amazing, amazing colors. Yes, I'm super excited. What I'm not excited about is having to put all this back away. But that's okay. Oh, these blues are to die for. Just to die for, these blues. Oh my gosh. All right. Thank you for watching this unboxing. Please make sure to hit the like button, hit the notification button if you want to know when I have another video posted. And I love you all. See you in the next video. Bye.